Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi everyone, I'm Jefferson Daynes and I'm a consultant at SOLVD.cloud. When we're brought in to audit a Salesforce instance, one of the first things that we look at is data integrity. Most teams think that they have a people problem or a process problem, but often what they actually have is a tooling problem. They're trying to force fit massive data migrations into simple wizards, or they're manually importing records and creating thousands of duplicates because they didn't understand the native deduplication logic. So today, I'm going to break down the big three Salesforce data tools. I'll show you exactly when to use each one, and more importantly, the specific gotchas you need to avoid to keep your org running smoothly. Let's dive in. We start with the data import wizard. In the Solved ecosystem, this is what's referred to as the safe entry tool. Because it's browser-based, it's accessible to almost any user with the right permissions, but its real power lies in its matching logic. Unlike other tools, the wizard allows you to match records by name, email, or Salesforce ID on the fly. This means that if you have a spreadsheet of, 5,000 leads, the wizards will cross-reference your existing data and upsert, meaning it updates existing records instead of creating duplicates. However, there is a strategic limitation here. The wizard is object-specific. While it handles your core CRM objects like accounts and contacts really well, it often ignores more complex objects like opportunities or products. So if you're trying to build out a full sales pipeline from a legacy system, the wizard's 50,000 record limit and restricted object support will eventually act as a ceiling for your growth. This is when we need to go into the data loader. As a consultant, this is probably the primary tool for architecture level work because it's a client application installed on your desktop. It communicates with Salesforce via the API, which allows it to handle up to 5 million records per session. The reason that this is a staple for Solved projects is how versatile it is. It supports every single standard and custom object in your schema. But here's the expert tip most people miss. Data Loader is built for external IDs. So if you're migrating data from an external ERP or some kind of legacy SQL database, you can use those external keys to link records automatically without needing to perform multiple VLOOKUPs in Excel first. It's significantly faster and more accurate for very complex data relationships. Just be careful, there is no undo button here. The data loader does exactly what you tell it to do. So if your CSV is messy, your Salesforce org will be too. Finally, let's talk about the data export service, which is often the most neglected tool in the admin toolkit, but can be the one that really saves you. So while the wizard and the loader are all about action, this one is about protection. This tool allows you to schedule a full backup of your entire database, your entire org, including images, documents, and attachments, and it zips it up and sends it to you on a weekly or monthly basis whenever you schedule it. So at Solved, we view this as the ultimate insurance policy. Salesforce is highly secure, but it cannot protect you from human error. If a user accidentally runs a mass delete or an integration goes rogue and overwrites your lead sources, your data export is your only way to restore the version of truth from 7 days ago. It's kind of a set it and forget it process that takes 5 minutes to turn on, but can save your company thousands of dollars in data recovery costs down the road. So choosing the right tool is not just about getting the job done. It's about protecting the integrity of your business intelligence. If you're tired of cleaning up duplicates or you're worried about your data security, we can help. Head over to solved.cloud to learn more about what we do, and let's talk about how we can streamline your Salesforce operations. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more expert insights, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm Jefferson Daynes. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.